Do you want the floating accessibility button to better match the way you use your phone? Samsung lets you customize its size, transparency, and even make it fade away when you are not using it. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Accessibility shortcut. Then tap Accessibility button. Make sure floating over other app is selected. Now you can customize the floating button. First, tap size. You can choose small, medium, or large. For this example, let's choose large, so the button is easier to see and tap. Next, enable fade when not in use. When it's enabled after a short period of inactivity, the button automatically fade until you interact with it again to reduce distraction while remaining easy to access. When this option is enabled, you can also adjust the transparency slider to control how transparent the button becomes while it's faded. For this example, let's set the transparency to about 50%, so the faded button is still easy to find without drawing too much attention. Finally, you can drag the floating button anywhere on the screen to reposition it. When you move it near the edge, it will automatically snap into place while keeping the same size. If you want to save even more screen space, swipe the button toward the edge of the screen. It collapses into a smaller handle with the accessibility icon. Whenever you need the full button again, simply swipe the handle back toward the center of the screen. And that's how you customize the floating accessibility button on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.